Everyone thinks the best-selling electric garage heater is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different. Product number 1, Lasco Ceramic Tower Heater. The Lasco 1500-watt ceramic tower space heater caught my attention because of its sleek design and portability. Priced at $88.92, it's an affordable option for anyone looking to heat a small to medium space efficiently. If you want reliable warmth without a hefty price tag, this is worth a serious look. This heater boasts a powerful 1500-watt ceramic element that delivers fast warmth, which is perfect if you're tired of freezing while working in your garage. With 2 heat settings and an adjustable thermostat, you can customize the warmth to fit your needs. Plus, it features widespread oscillation, letting warm air circulate throughout the room effectively. Here's why this matters for you. That means you won't have to huddle close to the heater to feel comfortable. And with over 30,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear people trust it. Now, some people complained about the noise level being a bit higher than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using it while working on projects, you might not even notice it. It's not deafening by any means. This is perfect for you if you need a compact heater that can easily be moved from room to room. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can heat a larger garage space. For the price, it definitely gives you solid value for your money. Now, if the Lasco's noise level bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its quiet operation. Product number 2, Dr. Infrared Heater DR968. Next up is the Dr. Infrared Heater DR968, which stands out with its elegant cherry finish and is priced at $142.60. If you want a heater that combines style with functionality, this is worth a serious look. What's special about this model is its dual heating system that combines an infrared quartz tube and PTC. This means it generates about 60% more heat than standard models, making it ideal for larger rooms. It can warm up large spaces effectively, rated at around 5,200 BTU. The remote control and electronic thermostat, which ranges from 50 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, offer convenience for adjusting the temperature without getting up. Here's why this matters for you. You can easily set your comfort level without stepping away from your project. Plus, it's super quiet at just 39 decibels, which won't disrupt your focus. However, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit heavier to move around compared to other space heaters. But honestly, if you're primarily using it in one spot, that's hardly a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an efficient heater that doesn't compromise on style. Skip this one if you need something lightweight to carry around often. You get a lot of heat for your buck here, making it a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tech-savvy folks. Product number 3, Dreo Smart Wall Heater. Check out the Dreo Smart Wall Heater, priced at $164.06. It's sleek and tech-forward, ideal for those who want smart home integration. If you're looking for a heater that adapts to your lifestyle, this is worth a serious look. One of its standout features is the 120-degree vertical oscillation that allows warm air to spread evenly throughout your space. That's crucial if you don't want hot and cold spots in your garage. It's also Wi-Fi enabled, meaning you can control it from your phone or with voice commands via Alexa or Google Home. Here's why this matters for you. Imagine adjusting the heat from across the room without leaving your workbench. It's got an adjustable thermostat with a range from 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing precise temperature control. But I have to be honest, some users felt the installation process could be a bit tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, once it's mounted, the hassle is worth it for the convenience you gain. This is perfect for you if you value smart technology and want a heater that integrates with your home. Skip this one if you're not planning on mounting it permanently. For the features you get, it's a great value. Now, if the smart features of the Dreo aren't your thing, the next heater offers a completely different approach to heating. Product number 4, DuraHeat Electric Forced Air Heater. Next, we have the DuraHeat EUH1465 Electric Forced Air Heater, which is priced at just $73.69. This compact unit caught my eye due to its rugged design. If you're looking for a heavy-duty option that's also budget-friendly, this is worth a serious look. This heater delivers 1,500 watts of PTC ceramic heating, making it perfect for small spaces like workshops and garages. It's designed for portability, making it easy to move around when needed. The adjustable thermostat lets you control the temperature precisely, which is important if you're working in varying conditions. Plus, the high-velocity fan efficiently circulates heat, ensuring even warmth throughout the area. Here's why this matters for you. No one wants to be stuck in a cold corner while the rest of the space is cozy. However, some users mentioned that the fan could be a bit loud for their liking, but honestly, if you're using it in a garage, that's probably not a big deal. This is perfect for you if you need a tough, portable heater for small areas. Skip this one if you want something super quiet or aesthetically pleasing. For the price, it's an amazing deal. All right, that brings us to our final product, which is geared towards serious heating needs. Product number 5, Comfort Zone Garage Heater. Lastly, we have the Comfort Zone 7,500 watt hardwired garage heater, priced at $195.62. This is a robust option that's perfect for those who need serious heating power. If you're ready to heat your garage efficiently, this is worth a serious look. With a heating capacity of 25,600 BTU, this unit is designed for industrial and commercial use, featuring a heavy-gauge steel body for durability. It has adjustable louvers for directing heat where you need it most, and its digital thermostat makes it easy to set the temperature to your liking. One of the best things, it's hardwired, which means it's built to last in harsh environments. Here's why this matters for you. If you're working in a garage with tools and equipment, you want something that can handle the heat and keep your space comfortable. That said, some might find installation a bit complex since it requires hardwiring. But if you're serious about heating your workspace, this is a minor hurdle. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful heater for larger spaces or garages. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple plug-and-play option. For serious heating needs, it's definitely worth the investment. So there you have it. From the compact Lasco to the powerhouse Comfort Zone, each of these electric garage heaters brings something unique to the table. Whether you want smart features, portability, or heavy-duty power, there's a perfect match for your heating needs. Make sure to choose one that fits your space and lifestyle.